Ready to upgrade your outdoor adventures? Get ready to discover the coolest gear that will completely transform your next camping trip. 1. Bolo Packs. The ultimate adventure kit. Introducing Bolo Packs, where versatility meets boldness. This all-in-one combo includes a backpack, cooler, tent, picnic mat, hammock, and more, making it your perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. With dimensions of 56 x 35, 5 centimeters, there's even space for an extra pair of shoes. Starting at $210, the Bolo Packs offer everything you need to elevate your outdoor experiences. 2. MTI Flex. The multi-tool flashlight meet MTI Flex, a tool that's so much more than just a flashlight. With 6 bits, an electric lighter, a saw blade, USB ports, and a 3,500 mAh battery. This durable aluminum and stainless steel gadget is perfect for both everyday tasks and rugged adventures. Priced at $64, it's a reliable and versatile tool you won't want to leave behind. 3. Picnic. The Portable Workstation for car camping. The Picnic is not your average camping table. Designed specifically for car camping, it transforms into a portable workstation, complete with a built-in light. It's easy to transport, holds up to 40 kilograms, and offers 30 liters of storage space. All this utility comes at a price of $359, making it an ideal choice for those who love convenience and functionality on the go. 4. Kelty Low Loveseat. Enhanced comfort for 2. Kelty's Low Loveseat just got better. This cozy sofa for 2 now comes with added blankets while retaining its sturdy steel frame that supports up to 181 kilograms. Weighing around 8 kilograms, it's perfect for campfires or outdoor movie nights, all for just $150. 5. East Oak Hard Cooler 25 QT. The award-winning ice chest stay cool with the East Oak Hard Cooler 25 QT, featuring 7.6 centimeters thick walls filled with commercial-grade polyurethane. It keeps your drinks cold for days and even won the Red Dot Design Award 2023. With a 23-liter capacity and a smart design to slow down ice melting, it's surprisingly affordable at $113. 6. No Normal Coffee Instant Coffee Concentrate for the wilderness. For the coffee lover who can't go without a brew, No Normal Coffee offers tubes of paste-like coffee concentrate. Made from 100% Arabica, each tube can make up to 20 cups of coffee, whether you're in the wilderness or at home. At $17.50 per tube, it's a small price to pay for your caffeine fix anywhere, anytime. 7. Montec Suitcases. Solar-powered luggage. Montec suitcases aren't just for carrying clothes. These high-tech bags come equipped with solar panels, rechargeable batteries, and multiple connectors, generating up to 400 watts. Perfect for powering gadgets on the go, these shock-resistant and waterproof suitcases start at $700. 8. New Direction Tackle Wash Bag. The Fisherman's Essential. This versatile wash bag is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. With a built-in mirror, a plastic hook for easy hanging, and 3 zippered pockets, it's perfect for holding all your essentials. Priced at $115.50, it's a practical and durable addition to your camping gear. 9. Japanese Soapbox Trailer. The Adorable Mobile Home. This compact Japanese soapbox trailer is more than meets the eye. Despite its small size, it fits 3 people comfortably and even comes with an outboard motor. Complete with a kitchen and furniture, it's a cozy mobile home priced at $14,500. 10. Oz Trail Folding Closet. Storage on the go, say goodbye to clutter with the Oz Trail Folding Closet. This portable storage solution features a sturdy aluminum frame, durable fabric, and removable shelves holding up to 15 kilograms on the tabletop. At just $50, it's an essential for organized camping. 11. DTE Water Jug and Faucet Combo. Smart Hydration Solution. DTE's Water Jug and Faucet Combo is designed for convenience, offering 11 liters of water with touch controls and a battery that pumps 150 liters per charge. BPA-free and featuring a wide neck for easy filling, this combo is priced at $170. 12. B5000 WWS 2-burner stove, the portable cooking solution. The B5000 WS2 burner stove is a powerful portable cooking solution. With sturdy cast iron burners and a lightweight design, it's perfect for grilling, boiling, and frying at your campsite. This versatile stove, complete with windscreen and regulator, is yours for just $130. 13. Fisar Saw Machete Hybrid Cutting Edge Tool. The Fisar Saw Machete Hybrid combines the best features of both tools. With a 23 centimeters hardened steel blade and a comfortable grip, it's ideal for cutting through dense thickets and branches. Get this versatile tool, complete with a storage case, for only $40. 14. Ready Rope. The ultimate paracord kit. Ready Rope offers more than just paracord. This kit includes a cutter, a compartment for small items, and a built-in lock to keep your cord secure. For just $17, you'll get 30 meters of paracord and a handy tool that's ready for any adventure. 15. V-Blanket. Heated and versatile, stay warm with the V-Blanket, a heated blanket that also transforms into a hooded cape. Powered by a power bank, it heats up to 54 degrees Celsius and is machine washable. Lightweight and waterproof, this versatile blanket is priced at $69. 16. Spark Fire. The effortless fire starter. Spark Fire makes starting a campfire easy. Just pour alcohol fuel into the stainless steel device, cover it with wood, and light it up. Perfect for campgrounds or fire pits, it's a great addition to your gear for just $42. 17. Gerber Complete Line. Nesting cookware for adventurers. Gerber, known for their knives, offers a complete cookware set that nests together like a Russian doll. With 16 pieces, including a pot and sauté pan, it's perfect for cooking and serving food for 4 people. The full set costs $200, but you can also buy individual pieces. 18. Exod Arc. Tent, the future of camping. The Exod Arc. Tent is a futuristic camping solution, designed for comfort and convenience. With a quick setup and a mix of inflatable and carbon elements, it's perfect for 1 person or 2 in a pinch. Weighing 4.7 kilograms, this high-tech tent is priced at $869. 19. Luminoodle, the versatile LED light strand. The Luminoodle LED light strand is perfect for any setting, from your workbench to the campsite. Waterproof and super bright, it comes in 2 sizes, priced at $14 and $35. Powered via USB, it's the ideal lighting solution for any adventure. 20. Whippo Air Sofa Chair. Comfort anywhere. Relax in style with the Whippo Air Sofa Chair. Just wave it around to inflate and you're ready to relax for up to 6 hours. With a large headrest, pockets, and an elastic holder, it's perfect for any outdoor setting, all for just $40. These innovative products combine creativity with practicality, making your outdoor adventures more enjoyable and hassle-free. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying the great outdoors, these items are sure to enhance your experience. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your next adventure with these must-have gadgets.